I'm now here to help others on Trader Talk. All right, so I'm reading up on this stock here. It's called ANAB, ANAB Bio. And when I read about the stock on their website, this is what it says. ANAB Bio is a clinical stage antibody development company advancing therapeutic antibody product candidates focused on unmet medical needs in inflammation. And that basically means zero to me. But I really like this calendar spread, so let's take a look at it. Okay, so this is another one of these calendar ideas. Now, the one in RH was coming into the earnings and didn't necessarily work as well because we just had this big move right on earnings. But this is a little bit different situation in that it's even juicier over time. And, you know, with a calendar spread, you can lose as much as you pay for it. And this one, for these options, 3 months, it's like 145 days versus 26 days. So what I'm looking at here is ANAB symbol, and I'm looking at buying a call calendar spread. So you would be buying the February 95 call for well, somewhere in the middle there. You basically be buying the spread for 335 a spread. So you're basically buying 99 vol in Feb and selling 198 vol in OC. And let's just take a look at the open interest here. And you see, this is the problem, is there's not a whole lot of open interest. Let's see about Feb. There's almost no open interest in Feb. So this is a risky one here because maybe no one's going to trade with you in the middle here. But I would look to try to do something. Some of these things that like nobody has obviously discovered before might be an interesting trade. The volume in this stock is only 1 million a day. So a little risky. I will probably try to put this one on though because I just think it's beautiful. You're paying $3 for the spread. So just imagine this, folks. If the stock stays right here, and you pay $3 for the spread, then you could own this Feb call, which currently is worth $20. So you're basically, think about this in your head. You're buying the 95 call in February and you're selling the one in October. So if this stock were to just stay where it is, you would, this February 95 call would hardly decay at all, and you could essentially own a call that's worth $20, only paying $3 for it if this stock just stays where it is. The setup here with 200 vol, it kind of means to me that this thing is going to make a big move at some point soon. And this chart is very deceptive because there's an outlier here showing it trading down to 79.50 after the close. And I don't think that actually traded. I think that's just an outlier. But you would want to check on that as well before you do the trade, obviously. But I think this is a beautiful spread. The question is, could you put it on? Would anybody trade it with you? And the trade would be to buy the Feb 95 call and sell the OC 95 call, and try to do it for the midpoint is $3. If you could put that on for $3, I think that would be beautiful. Now, once again, each time you trade a spread, the spread is worth, the most you can lose is what you pay for the spread. In this case, $3 for this spread, it just seems incredibly beautiful to me. I don't know if you could put it on or not, but I think it would be a really cool trade to undergo this long Feb OC 95 calendar spread in ANAB stock. Thanks for watching. Once again, appreciate all your support, and we'll see you next time in these options trade ideas.